covered business transformation across the entire region. I need your honest take. Is the Philippines moving fast enough to stay competitive, or is there a real risk of falling behind? Sir Rico.
Well, my honest take is that we want to move fast, or even as fast as our regional neighbors. Unfortunately, we do not have the capital expenditure. We do not have the budget, right? A lot of companies want to be AI ready, want to future-proof their respective businesses, but they're in a straitjacket. They do not really have the capabilities financially to be able to move their businesses to the next level. And we have been left behind. Dito, Gabby, we have been left behind by our Southeast Asian neighbors like Thailand, by Vietnam, by Indonesia, Malaysia. But I think one of the most important factors that the Philippines has over the rest of our Southeast Asian neighbors is that we have a very young workforce. 25, 26 years old. One of the youngest in the region that is willing to adapt to the latest technologies. But if we are ready to adapt, if we are ready to adjust, we need the support of the government and of the private sector to be able to compete with the regional neighbors.
Amen. Yes, exactly.
You're not running for public office.
Very well said. But also, I really appreciate the ASUS Expert Book Ultra's ability to be able to keep up with these ideas and the creativity and the drive of our young workforce. So at least there's the support there.